I'm Praneal Magan. I'm with Salas O'Brien. From a young age, my dad did a lot of household repairs, and in high school I got an opportunity to join an electronics class. My parents were from an immigrant family and we just said, hey, why don't you do the engineering option? And I said, okay, sure, let's try it, and kind of just been here ever since. One of the first projects that I had was the Engineering 7 building at Waterloo. Coming from an engineering background, doing an engineering building, and just fit hand in hand and seeing how organized they are as a client. Within the building itself, they constructed a room called a RoboZone. It's a space where students can learn, build robotics, and just kind of do unique things that you wouldn't expect. What inspires me as a leader is the ability to train and mentor young professionals coming into the industry. Knowing that you're making a difference in the world, whether it's something small as somebody plugging in their laptop at a table, or a pharmaceutical plant and there's a whole bunch of power being drawn there, or even a net zero building, kind of left with a humble feeling and a more appreciative feeling of how buildings get built. In high school, I took a wood shop class and it kind of stuck with me a lot. So my free time, I'll just kind of find things to fix or find things to kind of work around with wood. It's always been a side hobby of mine that I never got to explore fully, but something I hope to do soon.